Hello guys, so in this video I will be sharing with you and teaching you about the cracking the code of shares. Alright, so let's learn about shares in this video. So firstly, let's look at the meaning of shares. So what are shares basically? Shares are like a slice of the company with which you can trade with other investors, or you can sell to the company or the bank for more money if the company, for example, is going bust, or if you're losing confidence for the company. So what are the common types of shares? Let's say normally we will say voting rights and variable dividends. However, investors normally prefer fixed dividends and no voting rights. Fixed dividends is regularly preferred by investors because they will want a regular fixed dividends, because then they can have a stable source of passive income. So when you are investing in shares, so that more investors will be confident to buy the shares. Next, you also have no voting rights. And why is normally share is even issued to the stock market? It is because to raise money for capital gain or for the growth of the company. And also, of course, we have to repay them. That is also known as the dividends. Now, we will look at how are shares even traded in the first place. Shares are normally traded through the stock market or the stock exchange, where the shares of course are bought and sold. For example, if you take this picture on the right, you'll see that this market is selling all kinds of things. It can also be shares, bonds, and derivatives. Also, shares is also one of them. That is why shares is normally very favored in the stock market. For example, the types of stock markets are normally New York Stock Exchange or Nasdaq. Its prices tend to change based on uh, the investors' confidence, and it is also changed based on demand and supply. Now, IPO. What is IPO? IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. Is when a company sells shares to the public for the first time, and they're making their stocks available to the public and for investors to buy through the stock market. Now, why would we even invest in shares? What's so important about them that can make us rich? By investing in shares, that we can earn like a lot of money from the shares, also known as dividends, at the end of the year or even the month. So it can also grow. Shares can also grow, which increase in value over time. And the risk prices can drop even to zero. So that is why shares are really, really important. Also, it depends on the company that you are buying stocks or shares from. And lastly, the tip is to diversify to reduce the risk in losing your shares. In order to do this, diversifying means if you have to use your money to invest in multiple different types of financial instruments. Also, it can be other types of shares, or it can be derivatives, or it can be bonds or loans, and also rental properties. By investing in these different types of properties, you can therefore reduce risk, so that when the company goes bust, you will not completely lose all of your passive income. So that is all, and we have come to the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed video and learned a lot about shares. If you have any comments, please list them down in the comment section below, so that I can take all of your comments into action and also improve on my videos furthermore. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comments, and like this video and the rest of my videos. I hope to see you soon again. See you next time. Bye.